In this video, we are going to discuss installing Virtualbox and setup machine. We shall discuss step by step what are the steps to be followed so that also you can do the configuration at your end. And this video will be assisted with one practical demonstration for your better understanding. Download the Virtualbox from the following link. So link has been given, and from this link you are supposed to download the Virtualbox software, but click on the proper package like your Windows, OS X or Linux. Run the downloaded file and click on the next. So if you run the downloaded file, this window will come and you are supposed to click on the next. Go through the next steps and install the software. So now we are supposed to click on this next buttons will be coming and we shall continue with the software installation. If the Virtualbox throws some error for 64-bit support and about say VTX or AMD/V, it means that your BIOS does not support the virtualization. So you can follow these steps and this might be helping you to resolve the problem. So restart your computer and go to the BIOS setup. So go to UEFI firmware, under that advanced option, under that CPU setup and Intel virtualization technology, and then enable it and save and exit. But these options might be differing at your system also. So now let us go for one creation of this machine and we are going for one demonstration on it so that you can feel that what are the steps should be followed in practice. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create one virtual machine under Oracle Virtualbox Manager. So here you see at first we are clicking on this new. So clicking on this new, we are giving the virtual machine name. Let us suppose we have given the name as Ubuntu-Big Data. Then you shall go for next. So here we are giving the size of the RAM. We are going for the 3 GB. So 3072 MB. And here we are going for the default options. So I'm not changing anything. I'm just clicking on this next, next and next. And here for the hard disk space, we are going to give say 20 GB. So 20 GB is the hard disk space I have given. So now there is a Ubuntu Big Data has got created. We have placed it at the top. And in this way, in this demonstration, we have given you the idea that how to create one virtual machine under Oracle Virtualbox Manager. Thanks for watching this video.